Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. Borla, the world's most winning exhaust. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. And by Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
Floor mats are kind of an unsung hero. Nobody talks about them a whole lot, but they go a long way toward protecting your vehicle, and of course they can make your vehicle look great. But there's not a lot of options out there when it comes to aftermarket floor mats. You have the cheap rubber ones that you lay down on the floor. They don't fit your car very well, and they don't last very long, and they look awful. If you're lucky, you get one that's carpeted. They still don't fit very well, but 3D custom fit floor mats can help us out. And Kyle, tell us what you have going on there that's going to make my car look great and protect it.
Today we have our 3D Max Spider NHOU custom fit all-weather floor mat. The floor mats are custom fit for specific vehicles, so depending on what kind of vehicle you have, Honda Accord, Ford Ranger, Tesla Model 3, whatever kind of car you have, the mats are custom fit to that specific model. The colors available for our floor mats are gray, tan, and black, so those are the main options. The mats are made out of a triple layer construction. The top layer of the mats are made out of a thermoplastic rubber. The middle layer is made out of an XPE foam, and the back layer is made out of our patented Max Spider fibers. It's little hairs that grip onto the interior carpet so it doesn't ruin the vehicle.
That's an ingenious idea, because I know the cheap floor mats, the rubber ones, have the nubs on the back and they put pock marks in your carpet, and those sometimes never go away. And if you've got a classic car or a really nice car, you don't want that going on. And worse yet, some have Velcro on the back, and if you keep inserting those and removing them, that's going to tear your carpet up after a few years worth of use. But this is a great idea, and it keeps it stuck right in there. And also, the Max Fibers, in conjunction with the way it's form fit to your car, makes it stay right in there perfectly.
Exactly. Some of our floor mats have eyelets on the top of them, so it can clip directly into the vehicle so it doesn't slide around. But some of them also just cover the area to make sure that it doesn't slide around on the vehicle's interior.
What lengths do you go to make sure that each of these fits the car that they're made for?
Every single one of our floor mats get tested within each vehicle that we say that it fits. So when we say that it fits this vehicle, we've actually taken that mat, gone and found that vehicle, put it in and tested it.
Now, you've worked awfully hard at that, because you make it for a ton of vehicles. How many different cars and trucks?
We have about 6,500 different applications.
My goodness, that's incredible. And what if you don't have my brand, even though you have 6,000 of them out there, if you don't have what I need exactly, what can you do?
Yeah, well, in that case, we have our universal floor mats. They are made in the exact same method as the NHOU floor mats. Thermoplastic rubber, XPE foam in the middle, and then Max Spider backing on the back. These are all trimmed to fit, so they have little lines all over them that you can cut to make sure that it fits the interior of your vehicle.
Those are going to look just as great as your custom fit floor mats. And what other models of mats do you have? It's not just the NHOU.
In addition to the NHOU, we have our Elegant line, which is a carpeted floor mat series that is an alternative to your OEM carpet.
And you branched out quite a bit. It's not just floor mats anymore. You've got a number of other products we can check out. What do you have?
In addition to our floor mats, we have our carbon fiber handy trunk. It's similar construction to the floor mat, but it's intended for you to be able to organize the equipment that you keep in your cargo area. It's a little box.
Love it.
We have headrests, seat protectors, seat covers, and cargo liners.
Very cool. You've got a really neat line, a lot of innovative stuff. Where can we find them? Can I get them in retail stores?
We have multiple distributors online. You can also purchase them directly from us at our website at www.3dmatsusa.com.
And finally, you talk about the durability. These things are made really well. How long of a warranty? You guys really back your product.
All of our products come with a 3-year limited warranty.
It's fantastic. And again, tell me the website. Where can we find them?
www.3dmatsusa.com.
You know, Joe, the automobile was invented at the turn of the last century, and over the course of over 100 years, rust is still the enemy. Nobody's really figured out how to address it until now. What are you guys at NHOU doing to combat rust?
In my life, it certainly has been, which was the catalyst for me getting into this business. And rust has been dubbed the longest war. It's really difficult to beat Mother Nature, but what we do is slow her down. And what we do is mainly use an oil-based rust proofing. So if you have a brand new vehicle, we have two options, but for now we'll discuss the oil. The oil is something that would go on brand new or use pre-existing rust. It does not encapsulate the rust. That only allows it to grow beneath the surface. It looks pretty. Eventually it comes through. This will actually go down to the good metal, displace moisture, remove oxygen. As long as you have product on your vehicle, you stop oxidation.
Now, if I bring my automobile to you or to an authorized dealer, what happens to the car?
You should clean it before you come in. We would bring it in, we would blow it off. It would take about an hour. We'd apply oil to everything that's exposed in the undercarriage, all your body cavities, so you're in and out, come back in a year.
Is it safe for my car? Is it safe for the environment?
Our oil is non-conductive. It is environmentally friendly, no solvents, no detergents.
What's the biggest battle you're fighting here? Obviously, we know about rust, but as far as educating the customer.
Cultural.
Yeah.
It's people thinking this through, like proactively, like changing the oil on your vehicle. People don't think about corrosion until it's, they fail inspection or they have a structural failure.
Well, you're starting your education here, and if you want to further it, you can check them out at the website, Joe.
NHOUundercoating.com.
We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coating, so don't go away.